In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Odoo. If you want to give your website a different look and feel, changing the font is one of the quickest ways to do it. In Odoo, you can update the font for a specific text section, or you can make broader changes that affect headings and paragraph text across the site. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that fits what you need. To get started, open Odoo and click the website app. This will take you to your site where you can access the editing tools used to customize your pages. Make sure you're on the page you want to update before moving forward, especially if you only want to adjust fonts on a specific section. Once you're on the page, click Edit at the top left. This switches the page into editing mode and opens the customization options you'll use to make visual changes. When editing is enabled, you'll be able to click directly on content blocks and adjust their settings from the panel on the right. Now select a text block on the page. This could be a heading, a paragraph, or any section that contains text. After selecting it, look over to the right side panel and open the Style tab. Here you can change the font for that specific text block. This is useful if you want one section to stand out, or if you're styling a banner, call-out, or featured message differently from the rest of the page. As you make changes, keep an eye on readability and consistency so the design still feels clean and professional. If you want to make a more global font change, go to the Theme tab. In this area, you can change the font family for all paragraphs or all headings. This is the better option if you want a consistent style across the entire website, rather than editing each text block one by one. For example, you might choose one font for headings to create a stronger visual impact, and another for paragraph text to keep longer content easy to read. As you update fonts, it's a good idea to preview how they look across different sections of the page. Some fonts are great for titles but less effective for body text, so choosing the right combination can make a big difference in both design and usability. That's all there is to it. You now know how to change font in Odoo, whether for a single text block or for your whole site through the theme settings.